Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So, when I lay down things and targets and things like that, people expect them to get there tomorrow, but it doesn't work like that, okay? Because I will try and find your trades, I will try and zoom in a bit more. I do try to do that. I do post primarily a lot of trade setups on Twitter, but I do like to give you the macro outlook, so I can just give you a view of what potentially is going on, long-term view right here. So, I will try and zoom in for you more. That's what I'm trying to say. But, just here we've got many indicators showing us that this was a very, very strong optimal entry point for XRP. And so far, it is proven to be very, very fruitful. Even if you are in a whopping bear market or whatever, you can learn to ride the waves here. And this is what I educate you on the channel, okay? For example, just there, like I said to you, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, really overextended on the EMAs, big gaps. You're looking to come in to retrace, to retest as support or resistance for the continuation of the trend. It's how it all works, okay? So if you start to lose them, obviously coming in a downtrend, hold them, start to come back up, boom, you're breaking out. So one thing that I said to you here as well, coupled with, the RSI being in the charts, if you take a look at that, the RSI being in the floor, down there with the stock as well, was another thing. And it's a very rare event here. Like I said to you, maximum opportunity here in the charts is when the weekly EMAs pierce the lower channel of the Gaussian. It's never not been opportunity on XRP. Okay, we'll take a look at the historical data here, because every time it's done it, like I said to you at the time, you've never not retraced into the median line of the Gaussian. So for me, right now, we're doing everything we need to, okay, coiling up like this, breaking into resistance, a lower channel of the Gaussian, coiling up potentially on these EMAs as well, which is really, really bullish. If we break out, boom, resistance on the medium line of the Gaussian right there. So one thing I definitely want to see going forward for XRP, even if we do roll and putting a little wick grab on this trend line here, support, I want to see multiple closes above the 20 here going forward. So if we can see that on the weekly 20 EMA 042711, if we can start to see 4 or 5 closes above this EMA right there, I think you're building a base, and I think you're going to break out again and get back above this 55 and potentially run into resistance to the median line. So historical data tells us here, from this low all the way up was around about 163% long opportunity. Okay, so it's gearing up for it. Are there any guarantees it's going to do it? No, but it's just data in the charts telling us that any time you've lost the lower channel with DMAs, it's always been a fantastic entry point at that point to ride a level of resistance or a long up into the median line of the Gaussian. Do you see that? So it did it there, and then you've got that black swan obviously where you pierced it again. Oh no, but it was opportunity because you came up into the medium line. So there's two instances that it did it there, and then here as well we've got this instance here in the massive bear market. Look, that's your run up, that's your bear market. Look at that huge bear market. What happened? Optimal entry point when the blue line, which was a 10 EMA, pierced the lower channel of the Gaussian. Fantastic entry point to ride it back up. Okay, then again it happened here at the end of this correction, which I personally think that's what we've gone through. But again, it's just data, it's technical analysis, there's no absolute guarantees to that. But you can see when the EMAs pierce the lower channel of the Gaussian combined, boom, what an entry point, just to accumulate to ride the resistance back up into the median line of the Gaussian, where you could take a bit of profit on that long or spot or whatever. So we're looking for that. We've done it historically 3 or 4 times now, haven't we? So why would this time be any different? Obviously we've got the macro environment and things like that, so if this time is different, it is because of that. But all I can do is relay data to you, and so far you can't deny that the data is kind of ringing true, because off this right now potentially coining up, looking for it. If it comes, made you aware of it down there. Okay, so again, I've not got a crystal ball, can't guarantee anything on the channel. It's all about support and resistance right now for XRP. So I hope you enjoyed that little update. Have patience, remember that patience is key with XRP. Stay healthy everyone, take care, bye bye.